Welcome to Innod, your trusted partner in smart fiber processing solutions. Located in Shenyang, China, a core industrial hub, Innod specializes in the design, manufacturing, and sales of high-performance machines for the textile and soft product industry. Our main products include fiber opening machines, pillow filling machines, stuffing machines for toys and cushions. With a strong R&D team and modern manufacturing facilities, Innod serves thousands of satisfied customers across the globe, from Asia and Europe to North America and the Middle East. We offer customized solutions tailored to your product needs, production scale, and material type. Clients choose Innod for stability, efficiency, and long-term support, and we're proud to be consistently rated excellent in performance and service. Whether you're a manufacturer of bedding, plush toys, or upholstery, Innod has the machines and expertise to help your business grow. Join our global network of partners and experience the difference with Innod.